Hi guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at by the way, tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react na ako guys dito sa short cover song ni Eco Claridad and kinanta niya dito yung Love is All That Matters by Eric Carmen. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Alam niyo naman ako guys, I'm a huge fan of Echo Claridad. Yeah, hello sa lahat ng fans ni Echo out there. Kamusta kayo guys? Samahan niyo ako na mag-react dito at mag-umpisa na tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. So, here we go.
Lost in the dance, waiting for the
Grabe
chance.
naman boses.
All I really needed was to love you.
Galing niya. Punong-puno ng emosyon tong kantang to eh.
Night after night, searching for the night. You saved me. You gave me something I could feel. Love is something that is faithful and forever, keeping us together. Love is all we need. Whisper of illusions, sentences suspended. Loneliness accepted. Love was set me free.
Guys, isang play pa. So, here we go.
Lost in the
Galing.
dance, waiting for the chance. All I really needed was to love you.
Grabe yung boses niya, no?
Night after night, searching for the night. You saved me. You gave me something I could feel. Love is something that is faithful and forever, keeping us together. Love is all we need. Whisper of illusions,
Ang galing ni Echo.
loneliness accepted. Love was set me free.
Kagaling! Sobrang galing talaga ni Echo, no? Kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung boses niya. Kaya nga sobrang excited ako guys na panoorin. Tapos gawa ng reaction video yung mga cover song niya. Kasi grabe, na-appreciate ko talaga siya. And sana talaga magkaroon siya ng mga original song and kunin sana siya ng isang malaking music platform agency dito sa Philippines kasi grabe yung boses niya. Echo Claridad is a gem, 'di ba? Mark my word, talagang makikilala siya. Ang ganda talaga ng boses niya. Alright, kung sa inyo to guys, bigyan ng malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!